Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into another OBD2 trouble code that might pop up on your scan tool, P0079. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, don't worry, we've got you covered. The P0079 trouble code stands for Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Low. This code is most often seen in engines equipped with variable valve timing, VVT, and it refers to a malfunction in the circuit that controls the exhaust valve timing. Here's a breakdown of the possible causes and fixes for P0079. Number 1. Faulty exhaust valve. Control solenoid. The exhaust valve control solenoid regulates oil flow to change the timing of the exhaust camshaft. Over time, this solenoid can fail electrically or become clogged due to debris or sludge, resulting in poor VVT performance and triggering P0079. Test the solenoid using a multimeter to check resistance. Remove and inspect for clogs or debris. Replace if it's electrically faulty or physically damaged. Number 2. Damaged or corroded wiring connectors. The wiring harness connected to the solenoid, or the ECM, may become frayed, corroded, or disconnected. Moisture, oil contamination, or rodent damage can cause short circuits or increased resistance in the wires. Perform a visual inspection for frayed, burnt, or corroded wires. Use a wiring diagram to test continuity and voltage in the solenoid circuit. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Number 3. Dirty engine oil or poor maintenance. Variable valve timing systems depend heavily on clean oil for proper function. If the engine oil is old, dirty, or of the wrong viscosity, the solenoid may get clogged or respond slowly, leading to improper valve timing and triggering the code. Use the correct grade and type of oil recommended by the manufacturer. Flush the engine if oil contamination or sludge is suspected. Number 4. ECM, Engine Control Module. Failure. While rare, it is possible that the ECM itself is malfunctioning and sending improper signals or misinterpreting sensor data. This is typically considered only after all other components have been tested and verified to be working correctly. If all other issues are ruled out, have a professional check the ECM for software updates or consider reprogramming. Additional tips. Always clear the code after repairs and test drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. Monitor live data, if available, to observe solenoid activity and VVT performance. Regular oil changes are key to preventing solenoid-related codes like P0079. Thanks for watching.